Hello everyone. Hello guys, how are you? Uh, I guess am I audible and visible to all of you? Come on, say, is it right or not? Correct, everybody? Do confirm. So, welcome you all to this class. Again, this is the second session of mine where I'm teaching you the basically quant PYP solution and analysis real exam questions. And through this questions, guys, yesterday I've also guided you, and today also we are discussing IBPS pre 2026. Means you can just uh, think like that. The paper would be in such a manner, okay? And I'm touching those topics which are often been not touched by you because you only solve number series approximation. But what I think that there are some of the easy questions which can be tackled through that timing. So guys, let us start. Okay, before starting, I would say please say yes that am I audible. So as I said, this is IBPS PO Prelims 2026 solution and analysis real exam questions, and you can believe me that you can do such kind of question in the exam also. So let me just show you that the questions are okay. So guys, before starting the question, let me give you that we also have a super elite one plan all courses 2000 plus test. Subscribe to this, access to all the courses, 3000 plus live classes for all major exams, 2000 plus test also we have. And you can see reattempt test mode is enabled, PYP plus past live test are also there. Okay, secondly, I would say guys, you can also join our Telegram channel, which is this one. You can scan this code and you can join for the quiz and polls, for the YouTube classes updates, and for important updates and notification. Correct. So guys, as I say, every day is something new, which is a winning strategy. So for me, for you all, the winning strategy is the consistency, and I repeat it: do practice more and more questions, and do be regular in the preparation process. Okay. So let us now start with the questions. I think we should start with the questions now. Um, Wait a minute. We are just starting with the questions now. Okay. Yesterday, I think I have given you some of the problems. This was done. Can you guys solve this problem? Come on, say. This was the problem which we need to solve. Please wait. Huh. Have we solved this problem, guys? Can you please comment? Yeah, this we haven't solved. So come on, let's solve this. Today we are dealing with the mensuration problem. Okay, the side of the square is equal to the breadth of the rectangle and perimeter of the square is 48. If the area of the rectangle is 216, please find the length of the rectangle in centimeter. Can you, anyone in the class, can anyone I hope you guys will answer me. So the side of the square is equal to the breadth of the rectangle and perimeter of the square is 48. I would say that everyone now reach out to that practice that perimeter of the square is nothing but 4a. Perimeter of square is 4a. So value of 4a equals to 48. So the value of a would be 1, 2, 12. Is it right? A would be 12. Now let's read the other point. The side of the square is equal to the breadth of the rectangle. And this is the side of the square which is equal to breadth is also 12. Now the area of rectangle is given to me, which is L into B. L into B is given to me 216. Now 216 and you have breadth. So L is equal to 216 by 12. Come on guys, answer me fast. You all can answer me. These questions are very easy. Correct. So you can say that from this will go from 18 times. So the value of length is basically 18. So they have asked you this question only. Very easy. Answer is A, B, 15, 16, 24. What is the answer? Come on. No, right. 18 is the answer. Correct, no? Fine now. I think they would be mistaken in the problem. There would be something like mistake in the options, I would say. Let's try this question. Please try this fast. Solve this question. Come on, guys, solve. Solve this question. Come on, guys, solve. I think there was internet glitch in between, so that's why. I hope you guys have solved. Yet not then. Let me try this, okay? Let me try. The diagonal of a square is 3. Now, first of all, you need to know the what is diagonal of the square, which is root 2a, correct? Diagonal is basically root 2a, which is 35 root 2, correct? So from here, what you can figure it out is the most important. So from here, you can get the value of a is basically what? 35, correct? This is clear to all of all of you. Now, whose area is 161 centimeter less than the area of the circle. Now, whose area is 161 centimeter. What is the area? Now, square area is a ka square, which is 35 multiplied by 35, which is 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 5, correct? This is the trick now, having last at the 5. This is a trick. Now they are saying that find the circumference of the circle. The diagonal of the square whose area is 161 centimeter less than the area of circle. So area of circle is what? Area of circle when you add 161, am I right? So 1225 is 161. When you add, you will get what? The area of the circle, which is how much? 6831386. Find the circumference. Can you figure it out? The circumference. This is pi r square. This is pi r square 1386. Am I right? Come on, say. So from here you can say that 22 by 7 into r square is 1387. I hope this much is clear to all of you. Correct? Correct or not? Please say. Correct or not? This will go 63 times 6 approximately and 9. So value of r square is 144. So the value of r is 12. You need to figure it out. 2 pi r, which is 2 into 22 by 7 into 12. This is your answer. Just calculate this part. Am I right? I think I have calculated this should be 441, sorry. This should be 441. My bad, guys. R square is 441. R value is 21. Now this would be 21 and then you can calculate. I've done some mistake. Okay, fine. So the basically circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r means you got the value of r, which is 21. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. 2 3s are, just multiply this, you will get your answer 132, because this is 3 to 6. 66 into 2 is 132 is your answer. I hope you got this point. Please try. Next question again of mensuration. We are basically focusing on mensuration, guys, more so ever. Let us also see some more problems. Can we have some more problem? Let's wait. Now come on, try this with an options. I'm giving you with an options. With an option. Come on, guys. This is with the option. Anyone? The cost price of article A is X plus 150 and the cost price of article B is X minus 150. Article A is sold at 20% loss, article B sold as 25% profit. Okay, come on. Anyone? Anyone? Let me solve. The cost price of article A is X plus 150. So let's talk about article A. Article A is X plus 150. Loss is of 20%. When I talk about article B is X minus 150. And I would say loss is of, profit is of 25%. So guys, what is the selling price? Selling price is loss of 140 means 4 by 5. 4 by 5 multiplied by X plus 150. And here it would be more. 5 by 4 multiplied by x minus 150. Correct? No. So these are basically the selling price of A and B. Now they are saying some other point. These are the selling price of A and B. I hope till now, if the selling price of B is 150 more than that of A, if this is 150 more than that of A, means the difference is basically they are talking about, means SP minus the CP, means SP of B is 750 more than the SP of A. So guys, if I do, like, I need to just put the equations in other two sides, no? I hope you are getting my point. Come on. So let's see, let me just show you one more thing here, that what we can write in terms of more, okay? What we can write in terms of more. So 4x by 5, so this if you'll multiply, this would become 4x by 5. This would be how much? Plus, now 4x by 5 getting multiplied will be how much? 750. Correct? It will be, if you multiply, this would be 4 into, let us not multiply, I hope it will be helping in like cancellation part. 4 into 150 by 5, correct? And this is a selling price of A. If I add 750 to this, nothing is like problem now, because they are talking about the more difference is there. Now this would be 5 by 4x minus of 5 into 150 by, I would say, 4. Is it right? Now see, you can write down this as a 5 by 4x minus 750 by 4. And can we do anything here? I think we should write that in the 120. Okay, write down 4x by 5 plus 120 plus 750. Correct? No. I hope this is clear. 850, 60, 70, 870. So can I say that this is nothing but 870, and this would be what? Let's say this would be what? Is there any need of doing this thing, or yes or no? Can you say? Yeah, fine. This would be 5x by 4 minus 4x by 5. This should be plus 750 by 4. I hope this much is clear. $750 by 4. Now 9x by 20. This would be what? 9x by 20. Correct? And 750, 850, 870 into 4, na? That would be 870 into 4, जो कि 32 और 28, means that should be 3480, I would say. 3480 plus 750. So guys, can you calculate 3480 plus 348? 34 plus 3400. This would be how much? 4230. Please calculate. This is like 4230, na? This is 4230. Am I right? Yes. So from here you need to figure it out, the value of x. That would be what? Say 36, 8, 36, 4, 2, 6, 9, 27, 8. So the value of x, but the answer would be none. Correct? The answer would be none. It is coming like 2, 3. None is the coming answer. I think we have done right now. SP is 5 by 4, yes. 4 by 5, 5 by 4. Till now we have done correct. Everyone is getting the same answer. Can you please say? Everyone is getting the same answer. Can you guys comment you are getting the same answer? Have I done some right only, no? Yeah, here will be 4, then I have cut it right if you want. See, here will be 4, but I have cut it this. No issues, 5 times. I think we have done correct. 36, 37. 35, right. I think answer is right. This is the correct answer. Okay. So please guys, can you solve it? Let's try next question. Come on, try. This is a quantity questions, everyone. This is a quantity question. None of you have done? An article is marked up by rupees 1225 above its cost price. Two things we need to keep in mind. First, you forget this, okay? Let's remember solution. There is no shortcut. If you'll understand from the logic, that would be great. Okay. First, CP is basically 100A. Okay. It is sold at the discount of 0.27% and the profit earned by the shopkeeper is 8%. Okay, that should be the point. If the profit earned is 8%, come on, see guys, then my selling price would be what? 108A. In terms of A, I would write down that should be 108A. Correct? Now, an article is marked up. Now, basically, they are marking up the article. So, markup would be, if I talk about the MRP, from here the MRP would be 100A plus 1225. This is my markup. And our markup, they are giving a discount of 0.27%. So, can I say which is nothing but 27%? So, which is discount they are giving like 27A. Let's write down in terms of A. No, I would not say that would be any issue for you. Correct? Now, see guys, there is two things that you need to understand. That's what. After giving the discount, my selling price would be what? See, if you'll give the discount on 100A, you will come to the selling price, no? So, can I say my selling price would be 73A? See, in this case, if I would come, my selling price would be 73A plus 1225. And these both are basically what? Equal, makes sense. So, if both are equal, now this is 35A. 35A is equal to 1225. Is this making sense? Okay. Now you know 35 ka square is 1225. So value of A is again 35. What they are asking? If you know A, you know the cost price. Find the value of X minus, this is cost price, X minus, so basically your X is what? Your cost price. So that would be like 3500 minus of 2500, which is 1000. That is absolutely correct. So from quantity 1, I got this as 1000. Correct. From quantity 1, I got this as 1000. Find the cost price of article is increased. Now they're talking about the increment. Okay. How we can calculate the increment? Come on, say. Come on, say. How we can calculate the increment? See. Come on, guys. Now again, we know what? We know cost price, which is 35. For quantity number 2. Okay. Now, if cost price of the article is increased, if the cost price of article is increased, find the value of X if the cost price of article is increased. Okay, let's say if this is increased means what? This should be increased by, and the profit earned is 8%. 8 by 7. I hope this you know that how I have written that this 8 by 7. Anybody should not have any doubt in this. So if the cost price increased by 8 by 7, my new cost price would be what? 4000. Now 25% profit again. If I give suppose 25% profit, now again I'll get 1000 only, na? This is, I'll get 1000 only, everyone. So I think option E is the correct answer. For this also you're getting option number E is the correct answer. Correct. But I think there would be some more data in this, okay? But they are not given the data. So rather than you are going for 0.2 na, you can say, no, the relation is option number E only because you don't have any data regarding the point number 2. So I would say the correct answer would be E only. Because E option also includes no relation. Okay. E option also includes no relation. So that should be also the point. Guys, keep in mind that E options also include the no relation. Now there must be some other things given in this point so that we can write down the exact part of it. Okay. Let's solve this. Come on. You need to find out the cost price of the article. Solve. Solve. Okay. Shyam is saying, okay, the selling price of article is X. Let's suppose if I, now see, if I assume my selling price, $100, okay, and marked up the article is 20% more than that of selling price. So markup is basically based on the selling price only. So markup is 120. This much is clear. The difference between the mark price and the selling price of article is this much. So basically, guys, the difference is given to me. So how you will calculate the difference? Come on, say. Now the difference basically is coming the 20A according to you, which is equal to 600. So from here the value of A is basically what, 30. Now the moment you get the value of A 30, it becomes very much easy for you. Now they are saying that if the ratio between the 40% of the selling price and the cost price 3:7. So basically 40%, your selling price is what? Your selling price would become 3000. 40% of this means 4 tiye 12 means 1200. Correct. This value is given to me is 3. Correct. Come on. If this one is 3, then value of 1 is 4. 400. Correct. Please say yes or no. So your MRP is basically 3600. They are asking what? Find the cost price. Cost price would be how much then? Come on, say. Cost price would be 2800. I hope everyone understood. Come on, say. This was, I would say, easiest question ever. What I did, first I figured it out, the difference. Then basically the difference between the, now they have said that the selling price of the article is itna. If the ratio between the 40% of the selling price, 40% of the selling price is what? 1200. So selling price and the cost price. So selling price is 3. So if selling price is 3, 3 is equal to what? 400. 1 is equal, 3 is equal to 1200. 1 is equal to 400. Then from here also you can calculate that 7 is equal to 2800. This is also one of the way. Fine. Let's go for next question. See if you guys can calculate this. The cost price of an article is 550. Think, see, when you solve, please think. Cost price of article is 550. Cost price is 550. And marked up by X% above its cost price, the shopkeeper also allows a discount of 30% on mark price and earned a profit of 12%. So basically profit of 12%. Can you give me the selling price? Come on. Can you give me the selling price? Which is 616. Am I right? Say yes or no. 66, no, 12% is 66. 616. I hope this much is true for everyone. Now they have given the discount of 30%. discount of 30% on the selling price, which gives you what? MRP. 30% means 18 means MRP would be 880. Till now, I hope this cycle is clear to everyone. Correct? If the cost price of another article is X plus 150, first you need to figure it out the value of X then. What is the value of X? Allows marked up by X% above the cost price. X% above the cost price. So, X% above the cost price. What is the X here? Now come on, say. What is the X here? X% above the cost price means X% above the cost price, correct? So 330 out of 550, correct? Which is 3 by 5. X% is 3 by 5 above the cost price. Am I right? Please say, guys, yes or no? So from here, if I want to calculate the value of X, which is 550, this goes 0. This is how much? 330. Okay, that's fine. But this is not the... I hope you understood till now, everyone. The value of X, you will figure it out how much? Because X is 3 by 5. X is 60, na? Here the X is 60, correct? Anyone is watching? If here X is 60, now anyone having any doubt that how come X is 30? This is X%. See, this is X%. 330 by 550, which is 3 by 5. Let me just erase this part. See, this is like 3 by 5. This is simple 3 by 5. Okay? X%. We are here to figure it out the value of X. Say yes or no. So X is basically 60. If X is 60, then my new CP would be X plus 450. Correct? CP would be 510. Correct? Loss of 20%. Now here they are having loss of 20%. Do it fast. Loss of 20% means loss of how much? 80. 408 is the answer. Yes. Selling price of new article is 408. Yes. Shyam, you got the logic? Shyam, you got the logic? Please comment, Shyam. I hope you understood, Shyam. Understood, na, each and every part? Okay, can you solve this? Come on. have a change. The total cost of fencing a square field ₹12 per meter is itna. 1 meter is what cost? 1056 divided by 12. Is it right? 1298. I hope. So this would be 88. Okay. Meter. Total is basically area is of 88 meter. So 4A is equal to 88 meter. A is equal to 22 meter. Fine. Now, if the length of the rectangle is equal to the side of the square, okay, side of the square, if length is equal to side of the square, 3 meter, okay, the breadth is, so this is basically length and breadth is 3 meter more than this, plus 3, which is 25. So they are asking about, this is 22. They are asking about the area. So this is, guys, 50 by 2 multiplied by 22, which is 11 times 11 5 is 550 is the answer. Option number B. Everyone got this? B is the correct answer for this. Come on, say. Yesterday I have given this homework as well. Nobody commented, but you guys need to comment. Yeah. Please solve. Yesterday I have given this homework, but right now I'm discussing with you. Can you answer me this fast? Let me try, okay? So guys, this is the question. So if the length of the rectangle and breadth is the 8:5, length is given to me 8 and breadth is given to me 5, and breadth of the rectangle is equal to the side of the square, okay? The perimeter of the square is itna. Perimeter of the square is given to me, which is what? Perimeter of the square is given to me, means 4A is 40. 4A is equal to 40. Then A would equal to how much? 10. If A is equal to 10, now, and the breadth of rectangle is equal to the side of the square, breadth is equal to 5 equals to 10, multiplier is of 2, then this is multiplied, give you what? 16. Area is basically 16 into 10, which is 160. This yesterday I have also solved, today you are also getting the same answer. So guys, I also said you that yesterday I have also taken some of the classes, okay? So everyone, yesterday I have also taken the class on, means we are discussing all the pre-level questions of mensuration, profit and loss, SICI, okay? Tomorrow, regular 3 days I am having a class. Do join this class, guys, and do share with your friends, because all the questions are a PYPs, okay? They have been asked in the examination. So I would request all of you to just go for it. And also, you can, if you are there, you can solve one question. Okay, so let me just give you that. Please answer me this question in the comment section. Comment section में answer करना है इस question का. Till then, bye bye guys. Take care. Signing off, Agnni Mitra. Bye. Take care. Bye bye.